Hello everybody, welcome to Chloethedev Unfiltered. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little overview of the Mintbase platform on the Near blockchain and on Testnet. My goal is to do one of these videos a day for this entire week. I want to keep them short, going to keep them sweet. The platform will be changing drastically every single day. And so this is kind of a fun way for me to go through the platform, show what's available, and also kind of show the changes that are coming to the platform as bugs are reported and as the platform just gradually changes over time. So let's jump right in. So 71 store deployers have been given out of a total of 2,419 people. Sorry, it's hot over here. I'm in Antigua. I'm dripping. I'm sweating. But 2,419 people who are in line to get a store deployer token. So if you get a store deployer token, one of these 71 lucky people, you will be able to open up a store and mint NFTs like you see here. And so, yeah, an NFT is a non-fungible token. For those of you who don't know, non-fungible just means it can't easily be swapped like for another asset. So for example, US dollars can be swapped for US dollars, even if they look a little bit different, even if they're from a different year. It's usually for the most part okay, they're fungible. Whereas art pieces in large part are non-fungible because they are tied to a specific token, or at least on the blockchain, because they're tied to a specific token ID. And so for example, if you create an NFT, let's say this NFT right here. Ooh, very cool. So this is a store someone has created, Invention Arts. This is their NFT. There should be 5 of them available. I can upvote it and say this is a cool piece of art. You could list it and you could say it's called The Shootout, description, in unfolding situations, apply the dialogue and tell the story. You can go through it, and then the little A button here shows you that the data is on Arweave. So this is the metadata that you can find from Arweave. So the image metadata is giving you an Arweave link, and Arweave is a data storage blockchain. So if you want to know where the data for this picture or this image is, it is not being held on the Near blockchain. It is actually being put on the Arweave blockchain, and then the UI can read it from there. It knows where to find the metadata and where to pull it from. So that's some information there. You could check out the smart contract of all of these stores. So Invention Arts, .mintbase 10, so I guess the 10th version of their testnet contract, .testnet. So if you make your own account, so for example, if I go to my dashboard, I'll see Marma J test. I have a test account and you'll see Marma J. If I hit Marma J, you'll see it's not showing anything right now. I have minted one piece. I put it up for sale. It went sold out, so it's not saying I have any more pieces available. But you can go up here, and if you have a store deployer, you can hit New Store, and that will allow you to create a new store. So you can put your store name. So it has to be one word, lowercase. So I could say Chloe's Things. Okay, I can use a symbol like, okay, so now it says 5 alphanumeric characters only. So let's just call it Chloe. Oh, it doesn't like that? I don't know why it's not liking Chloe, but I'm gonna try it and hit deploy store. Nope, it doesn't like me putting that as my token name. So this is the fun part, right? These things are breaking as we go. So today, I want to showcase what's available today. And then tomorrow, I want to go through what's working tomorrow. So let's try this again. They want lowercase. So for my token symbol, they also want lowercase. That's fine. Let's deploy this store. So what's going to happen is it's going to push me to the Near testnet wallet automatically. It's going to say near.mintbase.io is requesting the transfer of 7 Near. You hit more information, you see all the different arguments. So store description, Chloe's Things, owner ID, Chloe.testnet, symbol, Chloe, and you go through everything else. Let's go back. Let's hit allow. I do not have my ledger attached to this account. This is a testnet account. I have it just on my magic link from my email, so it'll not require any ledger buttons being pressed. It will nav back to this, but the store is deployed. So if I go back to dashboard, I will see Chloe's things, and you'll see I have minted nothing here yet. That's perfectly fine. So I actually don't have anything to mint right now. I'll do a video tomorrow where I actually mint something. But now let's go to the marketplace. Who knows? I might mint in this video. We'll see. The marketplace is pretty self-explanatory as well. I mean, you got day mode, night mode, boom, boom, pretty simple. But now, so previous to today, the ratios of the images weren't coming out right. So now it's really cool to see. Seems like everything going up. You know what I should do actually? I am going to go to my dashboard and list something for sale. I have a few pieces that I've purchased over the past few days. Let's check out this piece. I want to list it for sale. Let's see. It's not letting me see. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's saying unlisted, but I own it. So I don't think the UI is allowing me to list pieces that I've purchased, only pieces that I've minted. So you know what? I lied. I'm going to mint something so I can put something up for sale so that I can have it in this video to at least show the flow. Because right now, so far, I've shown off the majority of the flow currently. I mean, there's an account flow where I can go check out my account and see what's going on. Okay, so it's time to mint. Thank you. So as we mint, it's pretty easy, it's self-explanatory. You want a name of the piece. So let's find a piece first. I have no clue what I'm gonna mint. Probably something random, just to be honest. I'll probably mint, well, I want to look somewhat okay. You know, let's do sorry, I'm looking through like the random screenshots on my computer right now. I have some pretty interesting screenshots. So let's try and find a fun one though. Okay, this is a fun one. I might not actually mint this. I haven't decided, but I want to at least show what it would look like, show us going through it, and maybe actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to mint it and then I'm going to burn it so we can go through the whole flow of putting something up. So I have really slow internet where I am. So right now what's happening is the image is being uploaded onto the file, and then when I actually hit upload, when I actually hit mint, it'll be put onto Arweave. But for now, this is just us waiting for my image to be uploaded. Perfect, there we go. Now we're gonna call this Winter Time Love. Describe it. This is a drawing from Berry Club. Perfect. You could add some tags, like Berry Club, and you could say pixels. I can't even spell pixels. It doesn't matter. I'm about to burn this. And you could say burn me. Okay, so perfect. How many are we gonna mint? We're just gonna mint one. Let's keep things simple. And then we will, so you can go categories, right? You could change it to, let's say it's a membership token, right? This is gonna be, Marma J membership. And you can go to dates. So let's go to dates. And let's say this membership is good from April 1st to April 30th. Awesome. And then we are going to say, let's add a location. So let's say, where is this membership going to get you in? We're going to go to the Marma J Foundation in St. George, Antigua, Barbuda. Boom, boom, we'll put it on the map. And now the fun part, we got to do this, the forever royalties. So we're about to burn this, but this thing doesn't know we're about to burn this. So we're going to say, if you have this membership, if you sell it to someone else, you're going to have to, some of those royalties are going to go back to, the people that helped create this. So, Bianca, my partner, helped me create this wonderful piece of art. So let's say, 50% will go to me. So if we sell this, we're going to sell this beautiful thing we're going to mint it first. We're not even going to put it for sale. But let's say we put up for sale for one near, right? In the royalties, we'd be getting 50% each. I think the royalties are at 10% right now. But anyways, we're gonna hit mint me, right? It's gonna say, checking, to check your wallet to confirm the mints. Right now, what that's gonna mean is it's gonna put me back to the wallet right here. It's gonna make me authorize it. So again, if you wanna read the data, you can click more information, read the arguments, make sure it sounds right. But here is that split we were talking about. It says 5,000, but that's 50%, 50%. And then the royalty, the full, so yeah, you will be able to see all the information right here. We go back, we hit allow. We're saying, yes, you can mint this for us, please, and thank you with all that data. And then there is our piece, Wintertime Love Marmaday membership. Now, when we click into this piece, it should say we have one available. It's unlisted, that part is correct. We can vote it up. Wonderful, wonderful. So this is the part that's kind of cool. It'll show our latitude and longitude of the event. It'll show the location of where it's going to be with a little map. It'll say the start date and the end date of the event or what this token maybe is useful for. So if you had a front end and you were like, hey, this token is only going to be useful for April 1st to 30th, that would be right here in the information. And then if I wanted to, so let's go back. Let's go to my dashboard. And here is where I would start selling it. So if I wanted to send it someone, I could do things that way, or I can sell it and put it on the marketplace. So for your first mint, there is a bug where your first mint, you can't actually put it for sale. It says you have 0 available. We will do a video tomorrow and we will try and see if we can get that, that will start working. But we can still see it. If I mint it again, it would allow it to work and we'd put our split revenues in here. But that, again, that will be for tomorrow. This video is already too long and we got everything done. So that is how you would create a store called Chloe's Things. And that is how you would mint an NFT called Wintertime Love Marmaday membership with all of that lovely data there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this little trash button and we're gonna burn it. So what that's gonna do is, because I'm the owner of the piece, I've created this piece with my store, it's still in the store, I can say I want to burn it. So it's gonna take its token, it's gonna call the batch burn function, and for token ID of 0. So for that token ID of 0, it's going to burn. Actually, you know what it'll be? Oops, that's like my, sorry about that. That's just my YouTube, no big deal. But we're gonna hit allow, and then what I'll do, so now it says it's time to mint, it's mint time. Everybody, let's mint the mints. So if I minted something again, I would be able to list it. So I'll show that quickly just because we're already here, right? So why not remint and show that it does work? Promise, I'm not lying to you. So when, I'm gonna delete it again, but Wintertime Love. I'm using this to showcase how this would go. So Wintertime Love, this one should go up. I could add tags if I wanted to. I could add the split royalty, dates. I could put forever sounds, videos, PDFs, locations, all. You can put your website. Sorry, I should have put that in the last video. Very important if you're gonna have an event to make sure you can put your website. I'm gonna do that now. www.marmaday.org. And then mint me. So we're gonna mint it again. I'm gonna show that I could put it up for sale. There's no way yet for me to unput it up for sale unless I buy it. And I can't buy NFTs for myself, so I'm not going to put it up for sale. I don't want to pollute the marketplace with my random mint, not just yet. But this Wintertime Love piece, if we click into it now, we should be able to see more info, and more info will go, oops, sorry. Sorry, I'll let it load. I thought more info would link to the website. Yeah, it's showing marmaday.org, but it's not doing it correctly. So you can see that more info went to, it should have just went to marmaday.org, but it's still putting Mintbase in front. So I can log a bug. Yay. Okay, but it was working previously, actually. So I think it's something that it was actually working and then became a bug later. But anyways, you can upvote it. You can do all the same things we were doing before. But I'm kind of weird because it's not... Oh, yeah. So that was what I was trying to check. Going to my website, which didn't work. Listing. So now it'll say 1 is available. So before it was saying 0 available. If you watched a few minutes ago, I deleted it. I made a second one. Now it's saying 1's available. So I can come here and say 99 near. That is a lot of money now. I can do a whole split revenue. So split revenues are different than forever royalties. Forever royalties are for the entire lifetime of the NFT. And then split revenues... forever royalties are for the entire lifetime of the NFT, and split revenues are for just this one sale. So if I did, let's sell this for 100 near, and I said we're gonna put 10% to marmaj.testnet, that would mean that when this sale sells, Bianca would get 50% of the royalty split, which should be I think 50% of 10%, so 5 near. Chloe will get 5 near. Plus the 90% of the rest of the split, which is 86%. So 90% of 86 near, I'm not going to do that math. And then Marma J would get 8.6 near. So if I listed this, you'd be able to see it. I'm not going to do that right now. But if you go, let's just delete it first because I don't want this just sitting here forever. So let's delete that. So you don't need MetaMask. You don't need any extra software. You just get ported over to the Testnet wallet if you have it to log in and brought right back. So in the marketplace, let's look over, some of that split revenue. So that split revenue of 86%, that's what I meant. And then Mintbase takes 4%. There's actually another 10% available, obviously. 86 plus 4 is only 90. That 10% is actually going to the forever royalties. So it doesn't always show in the UI sometimes. For now, it will show later. Let's see if one of these will show the full 100%. And then I want to end this. Yeah, so there's the royalties, 10% going to Carolyn and Nate. Then there's a split revenue of 86% going to Nate. I don't know who this is. And Carolyn. And then Mintbase gets the 10%. So don't know who this is, but awesome. That's pretty much what is going on so far. So this is how much people are waiting right now. So since I've been doing this video, there's 2 more people have signed up. Tomorrow I'm going to do this again. We're going to see how high that number has gotten. We're going to see what kind of new features have been kind of implemented, what kind of bugs have been fixed, and we're going to have some fun. So thank you everyone for maybe watching along with this. If you're still in line, I'm sorry. We'll hopefully get out soon, and soft launch of mainnet will hopefully be coming not too long from now. So regardless, you'll be able to get on mainnet and start having your own NFT store minting platform on the Near blockchain very soon. That's all from me for today. See you all tomorrow, and hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye.